I saw Jennifer Aniston.
You saw Jennifer Aniston?
Clear.
Good morning and welcome to my life.
Can you see the road ahead of you?
Yeah, I can do the road.
I really.
Our hazards are going to be consistently on though because this thing is. Okay, there we go.
We are heading to
It'll honestly be harder for
breakfast
me to do that than just delay.
and do the
When I get out on the
sandbanks.
ferry, I'll be fine.
We're going crazy.
You want to eat outside? We're at the Drake. How beautiful is that view?
Or do you want me to just, sorry? You want eggs?
Yeah? It's my shirt, or it's my bathing suit. It's my bathing suit. So nice. This is the most perfect day. We're going to the beach right after this. And the beach is actually right over there. I don't know where Erin is. This is called the Drake Devonshire if you've never been here. And it's super cute and delicious, really trendy right now. Oh, good. Woohoo! This is beautiful. We're having such a nice vacation. I love this little romper for the beach because I have my bathing suit on underneath and we're gonna go right from here to over there. The dungeon of floating. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, but we're gonna have to blow it up. Maybe we should start now. Oh gosh. Okay, we need directions to get to the sandbanks.
You want to switch? Do you want to drive?
Oh gosh, the mirror! Oh, beautiful. In our little hut. It's our fort. Our fort. Our safety net. Oh, it doesn't look like. There we go. Now. It is really hot out and we are here at the Dunes Beach, which the boys are not very happy about because they don't feel like it's a real beach, which it is. I just need a bathroom. I already feel their displeasure. I don't care.
Just before we drive.
Back in the car, update, back in the car, and it was pretty crowded there. It was pretty crowded there, so we're gonna go back to the other side of the beach where we were, and hopefully we can find a good beach spot. The bathrooms are just beautiful. This is nice. Yeah, this is perfect. Yay! We're here. Oh, somebody lost their shoes. You want to go closer to the water, or? I don't know. Wow, this is perfect. You guys, smart. Feels like we're in Florida right now. Florida weather. This is perfect.
My name is Aaron Paul Cooper. I live at 11200 Summer Street. My social security number is 245-886363.
Is it really?
And my bank account, my routing and account number are, I just post that, you're gonna get a lot of hits. I have at least $1,000 in there, folks. Go for it.
We are finished at the sandbanks, and everyone feels a little bit crispy, huh? Very. My cheeks feel like they're
The water was great.
The water, it honestly, like, I would go back tomorrow.
I would too,
just
honestly.
So fun. especially at the end there when we were throwing the ball. It was a lot of fun. So this was a great day. Now we're gonna rush back to the cottage. Everyone's gonna get changed, and then we're going out to dinner in Kingston.
I saw Jennifer Aniston.
You saw Jennifer Aniston? You're such a liar. Yeah.
Very cool.
It has been a while since I vlogged. This is my phone, not my camera. I forgot my phone or my camera in the car, but we are in Kingston. My necklace is all tangled, and we are going to have dinner at Casa de Melico. Anyways, it is like the most perfect night, but I feel very burnt. I'm burnt in like random places. Anyways, I am starving, and today's been an amazing day. Can't wait to eat this delicious meal. And Andrew is so tan. Oh, you can't see anything. This place is so nice. Dinner was really good. How'd you guys like dinner?
It was really good. It was good.
The only issue with me is I hate onions, and they couldn't make the dish that I wanted without onions. So that was like a real big bummer. This is where we parked. Gosh. Anyways. Oh, there's cars coming. Anyways. Such a good night, except I went to the bathroom and realized my entire stomach is burnt. I did not put sunblock on my tummy. So that'll be fun, and my arms are like in splotches sunburned, so you can definitely see where I didn't put sunscreen on. Wait, what did you say about my camera?
No, nothing.
Just talking about your camera voice.
Hey guys, I wasn't trying to.
What's my camera voice?
It's just it's the same voice you have when you have like anytime you address a group of more than one person.
Me?
Yeah, you just have a public speaking voice.
Apparently I have a camera voice.
It's not a bad thing.